Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 26th, 2020, and it's time to transplant my eggplant seedlings here. You can see they have their roots coming out, so I'm going to get these transplanted up here, so we'll be right back. Okay, so you can see my one eggplant here, and the roots are coming out the bottom. It definitely needs to be transplanted. So I'm going to be using these Jiffy number 5 biodegradable containers here. Now I ran out of these, so I transplanted my other ones into some larger plastic containers. Now eggplants normally don't like to be transplanted, but because I was out of these containers here, I had these here and they needed to be transplanted, so I'm trying an experiment and just transplanted them into here. So I have my container here filled with my potting mix, and just made a little hole here, and I'm going to stick this right in here, and I'm just going to fill in around this here. Okay. Stick my little tag in here. And this one here is the a swad eggplant here, which is an heirloom eggplant. And I grow all heirloom eggplants. So I'm just going to give this a nice watering here. Okay. So water runs out the bottom. Not yet. There we go. I'm going to let that drain out there. So as soon as this is done draining, I'm going to sit it back on top of this tray here. And you can see I have two little ones back here. Now I normally start my eggplants in peat pellets, but I tried an experiment and I started one in a plastic planting container, and I did see that the roots are coming out the bottom. So I am going to be transplanting this one then. Okay, so I'm just going to set this back up here. And that's how I transplant my eggplants. I'm really curious to see how they're going to do in these containers here. And if they do well in them, I'll continue to just plant them in these and not use the biodegradable ones. The biodegradable ones, you just plant everything in the ground or in your containers. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you liked my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. And also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!